All right, now let's see how we can combine two arrays or slice an array into two parts. So let's start by declaring two arrays. Here's the first one. We put 1, 2, and 3 here. And here's the second one. I'm going to add 4, 5, and 6. To combine these two arrays, we use the concat method. So first, dot concat. This will basically concatenate the first array with the second. Now, both arrays are unaffected, so this will return a new array, which is the combination of the first and second arrays. So let's store the result in combined and log it on the console, combined. Save the changes. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty easy. Now we have another method that is the opposite of concat, that is slice. And we use that to slice an array into two parts. So let's get the combined array and slice it. Now there are multiple ways to use this method. One way is to pass a zero-based index for the start and end. So we can start at 2 and finish at 4. Let's see what we get. So let's call that slice and log it on the console. So this is what we get. We went to the combined array, started after index 2, so here, and finished after index 4. So we extracted 3 and 4. Now let me show you another way to use the slice method. We can exclude the end index, and with this, we get all the elements in the original array starting from the given index. So that's the second way. And finally, the third way is to exclude the starting index. And with this, we get a copy of the original array. So to recap, if you want to combine two arrays, use the concat method. If you want to slice an array, use the slice method. Now, one thing you need to understand about both these methods is that if you're dealing with primitive values, these primitives will be copied into the target array. But if you have objects in your array, the objects themselves are not copied, the references are copied. And that means the elements in both the input and output arrays will point to the same object. Let me show you what I mean. So for simplicity, I'm going to remove these three numbers here and add an object. So an object with ID set to 1. So now we have a reference type, right? When we call the concat method, this object itself is not copied to the combined array. Only its reference is copied. And this means if I go to the first array, get the first element, which is our object, and change its ID to, let's say, 10. Now, when we save the changes, you can see in the combined array, here's the first element, that's our object. Note that its ID is changed to 10 as well. So because we're dealing with a reference type, this object is copied by its reference. The same principle applies to the slice method. So as part of slicing this array, if the elements are primitive, they're copied by value. If they're reference types, they're copied by their reference.